subtraction of dissimilar fraction. Example, we have 5 over 8 minus 3 over 12. So, paano natin makuha yung final answer? First, kunin muna natin yung LCD. Okay? So, yung LCD ng 8 and 12, that is 24. Okay? The next, sunod na gagawin natin dyan, divide natin yung LCD natin dito sa denominator ng first term. So, mangyari, magiging 24 divided by 8, that is 3. Then, 3 times 5, that is 15. Next, proceed tayo dito sa second term. 24 divided by 12, that is 2. 2 times 3, that is 6. Okay? Then, baba natin yung operation niya na subtraction. 15 minus 6, that is 9 over 24. Okay? Actually, pwede pa natin kunin yung lowest term na to. Ano yung pwede nating i-divide dito sa dalawa? That is 3. Okay? Pwede nating i-divide sa kanilang dalawa ay 3. Okay? 9 divided by 3. Okay? Then 24 divided by 3. So, 9 divided by 3, that is 3. 24 divided by 3, that is 8. So, ang final answer natin is 3 over 8. Next, another example, we have 10 and 7 over 12 minus 3 and 5 over 18. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong whole number, no? Naka-mixed number siya. So, first, subtract muna natin yung whole number niya, which is si 10 and then si 3. 10 minus 3, that is 7. Then, kunin natin yung LCD ng kanilang denominator. No? Ang LCD ng 12 and 18, that is 36. So, gawin lang natin yung ginawa natin kanina. 36. Punta tayo dito sa first term natin. So, 36 divided by 12. Di-divide natin siya sa denominator. 36 divided by 12. That is 3. Okay? Then 3 times 7. That is 21. Next. Sa second term naman tayo punta. 36 divided by 18. That is 2 times 5. That is 10. Okay. So, itong 36 na to, saan natin to nakuha? Ito yung LCD. Okay. Ito siya. Ayan. So, baba lang natin yung kanilang operation, which is subtraction. So, 7. Baba lang natin yung kanilang whole number. Then 21 minus 10, that is 11 over 36. So, ito na yung ating final answer.